Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing a one eyeshadow eye look, and we are going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury cream shadow, and this is the color Marie Antoinette. And I showed this earlier, but if you didn't see it, it's kind of a champagne top color, you know, something like that. It's gorgeous. It's my new favorite thing to do. This is probably going to be one of my shortest videos ever because it is so awesome. And yes, this is not my first time because I already tried this. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to put on, use the I Love Colors from Essence. I love color. Intensifying Eye Base from Essence. I'm just going to put this all over my lid. And then we're going to go in, I'm just going to, like this. We'll just use this one because it does look clean. And I'm just going to take it. And this is a cream eyeshadow, but it is more than cream. It is like, it's like a mousse. It's so soft and so, it's just awesome. Anyways, I'm just going to take some on my brush. And then I'm just going to pack it on the lid. All over the lid. Just need to turn that up a little bit. And I got way too much on this eye, which is a shame because it's just wasteful. This stuff is pricey. That's okay. I think it's worth it. Well, I don't know if it's actually worth the price, but I've only tried like one other cream eyeshadow, and it was a drugstore one, and I didn't like it. I took it back. I think it was a Maybelline one, because since I ordered this one, I've been looking at the drugstore. I was thinking about getting one to compare. They don't seem to have them anymore. The only one was, they had one, and it was Maybelline. It was the same one that I had tried, and I didn't like it. And the reason I don't like it is because it's not whipped like this. It's actually kind of a thick cream, and it creased really bad. And this one I haven't had any creasing. I'm going to take my 504 brush that I just got. It's a Morphe 504, and I'm just going to pull this up. I'm just going to go across it and then pull it up into my crease, and then even lighter up into like a transition color. And it works so beautifully. And that's all there is to it. Which is one of the main reasons, well, not the main reason, but it's one of the reasons I love it. It's like, oh my gosh. No blending. Well, you know, a little bit of blending, but it's just, it just works. It just gets darker in the right places, stays light in the other places, looks shimmery on the lid. I don't think you could ask for more. And I think this is the only color I got, and these are $30 for this little pot. But the fact that it's so creamy and so whipped, it takes very little. This is going to last a long time. And I think she had, I can't remember, but it was like, I think 5 colors, 4 or 5 colors. And I would love to get more colors, but I really can't justify buying more colors at $30 a pot when I have to buy so many for you guys, you know, to try out the new stuff that comes out. Maybe once I start getting PR, I can go back and buy some more colors in this. But so far, I haven't gotten any. So, isn't it beautiful? I think it's so pretty. and so easy. Now we're not done yet. We have to add liner and lashes. So I'm going to go in with my brown tattoo liner from Maybelline. And I'm going to push line with it. And to push line, you just put your little finger on the center of your eyelid and you push gently so that the eyelash turns up, like that. And then you draw between the lashes so that when you put your mascara on and your liquid liner, if you're going to use it, there's no skin showing between your lashes. That's what you're going for. No skin. But I just dot it between the lashes. And then I'm going to go in with a brush and move it around. Fill in all the blanks. Now I'm going to go in with my flat brush. I'm just going to use this brush to spread this out. Now I'm going to go in with my liquid liner in brown. Did I say that I used brown for the tattoo liner too? Okay, now I'm going to do my mascara, and I think I'm going to use, I've noticed my Laura Geller Lash Boss, my favorite mascara, has been flaking lately. So I don't know if it's old or maybe it always flaked and I just didn't notice it. So we're going to try the, another one that I had in the drawer. It is the Hypno Mascara from Lancome. That's what we're going to try. So I'm just going to do my lashes really quick and call it done. I am going to use the Sills Lash Booster primer, which I always use, but it's almost out, and I think that there is a dupe, and it's from like L'Oreal, I believe, when I get it, because I want to get that next and see, because I already had this when I saw the dupe. Just see if it's any good. I like the primers. I like to use a primer because it makes, I think it makes it come off easier at night. I don't think it makes eyelash glue come off any better. I think eyelash glue is just a pain no matter what. I love the look of eyelashes, but I hate trying to get the glue off. So now that I've got my lashes to grow a little bit, I don't think I've worn lashes in a long time. And I used to wear them every day. Well, not every day. Every time I put makeup on, I always wore lashes. And now, I pretty much never do. I keep thinking, maybe I'll put lashes on this time. And then I'm like, no, I don't want to. Because I don't want to have to take them off at night. Okay, we're using the Hypnodrama see if it's better at not flaking. I'm sure I tried this out when I got it, but I don't remember. Which it's probably not a good thing that it's over there in the I never wear them drawer. But I thought maybe if it's been sitting there, it's dried out some and it'll be good. We shall see. Okay guys, I'm done. Isn't that the fastest eye look in the world? I love it. I just have to say, I'm going to now try to find a drugstore dupe if I can. Or even an online dupe. Something that's less expensive than this, but is good. I'm going to start trying some more. I never really used cream shadows because I have wrinkles, so I thought they'd all crease. But this one is the bomb. And so if I can find some drugstore ones or some even ones that are more reasonable than $30 a single, I will get it and we will try it and see if it's as good as this. It's going to be tough to beat though, because this one, I just love it. Let me see if I can come in closer. Can you see? No creasing. It's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Just enough sparkle, just enough depth. It's really good. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Leave comments below if you know of cream shadows that are as good or that you think are good, that you like. Leave them below and I will go find them and we will compare it to this one and we'll just see. Maybe we'll just become cream shadow connoisseurs on this channel. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!